What up, you guys? Today we're here at fucking Aiden's house. We're doing his fucking wheel lights on the good old 5th gen. So, right now, we're just fucking getting it all fucking ready to fucking rip all the wheels off. And yeah. Alright, we got Aiden back here just ripping off the back wheels right now. They're kind of dirty right now, but hey.
A little dirty. We just got it all jacked up. We're just gonna try to see how this works. Because it doesn't really look like it's gonna work.
Oh, guys, we got fucking Michael in the house now. Break it down for us, Mikey.
All right, so pretty much what we have to do is we had to take off the caliper. Then we're gonna have to take off the rotor. And we're gonna have... All right, so we just got the rotor off. Now we're trying to measure out the wheel light, right? So we're gonna have to cut this one off because whenever we measured it with the caliper on, this is the one that was gonna hit the caliper. So we're just gonna cut this off. These 4 will be on that back plate behind the rotor, right here. And so the caliper sits right here. We have to cut off this post that sticks right there. So this one's gonna drill in right there, right there, right there, and then on the bottom. And yeah, it should fit. The one problem that I'm thinking we're gonna have though is the hardware that this guy gave us whenever he bought them. I think these are gonna hit the rotor when it spins. So we'll see. I have a really big feeling it's going to. So yeah, we'll have to see whenever we get to that point. But right now we're just gonna cut this bad boy off and fit it on there. Set the screws, mark out the screw holes, and yeah. Like real men. All right, guys, so we just got the holes pre-drilled. We threw some small self-tappers in, little 3/4 inch ones right here, you know. Boom. Threw those bitches through, and it's holding it up. We have to still throw it in here, but we threw the rotor back on. It doesn't hit, so we should be good where we're at right here. Okay, so that one's not gonna work because that hits that. And I don't think that, nope, that's not gonna work. So you can only put 2 in these 2 top ones. That looks good right there. So now you want to make sure that you put this wire along with these brake lines right here, because we're just going to tap these into this. We're going to run it to the control box. But yeah, where it's at, it fits, it's working. We're going to go on to the next one. We're not going to be able to get it off like that, Aiden.
I know.
Get an extension and come from behind the sway bar.
I didn't want to.
Huh?
I don't want
It's not gonna be able to twist like that.
Alright, guys, so we just got the fucking brakes off. Throwing on the fucking wheel lights now.
Just gonna pre-drill them and throw some screws through it, and yeah.
So, here goes another time lapse for you guys.
Alright guys, so we got it on. We ended up just throwing the brackets on the outside of the desk guard. Because we had to cut down the fucking had to cut down the little screws that we used to fucking fit it on so it wasn't rubbing the rotor. But yeah, we got it to work, and it's pretty fucking, this shit ain't going nowhere. It's on there, so yeah. this with this wire right here, and then up to the frame and all the way to the controller. So yeah, we got this side on. We're just tightening the brakes back up, and we're gonna go on the left side. But we got both the fronts, both the right sides done. So we're gonna work on the left side now and get her fucking moving. All right, guys. So we just got it all done, all 4 sides. The backs, I feel like, are definitely a little bit harder, but we got them done. These bitches ain't going nowhere. I'm fucking stuck for real. So, yeah. Got the 2 backs done, the 2 fronts now. Tomorrow we'll probably we still need to zip this up, but he's getting new front brakes. So holy fuck. So we're gonna leave these like this, because we're gonna put new front brake pads in tomorrow. But, yeah. He's fucking finished, buddy. We just gotta wait till tomorrow.
Stay tuned. You know, I'm gonna wire everything up. Fucking throw this under the cab. Make sure it doesn't make sure it's safe from water getting on it. But yeah, we're just gonna wire those all up clean so no one can see the wires. Alright, so it's not long enough to reach that battery up there. Fucking little wire and just ghetto rig it. Holy shit, how much this is something I was supposed to.
Mikey, what we doing over here, dude?
I'm just gonna put these front brakes in real quick, you know. All right, guys, we got everything wired up. Other than this front one, we just need to get some more zip ties to go run it through, you know. But yeah, everything's ran. Just gotta power up the power cable for it and run this one side. And we'll be freaking golden, dude. We're gonna see what these bitches look like.
Now we're on our way to Harbor Freight.
Alright guys, we're back from Harbor Freight. Got more zip ties. Zip tie this bitch up. Get her all hooked up, and then we'll show you what she fucking looks like.
Pretty much, you want to run the wire with your brake lines until you find like a bar like this. So we're probably gonna run it up on the frame, and then underneath, and then through all this, and then that way. And then that's where it needs to connect down there where it says zone 1.
Yeah.
That's where we ran the rock lights too, so yeah, it should be pretty fun. My lucky star. I'm really debating whether or not I want to pay my insurance. That'd be an irresponsible fuck. No, I have to pay my insurance. $500 later.
Alright guys, we just got the wheel lights on. Check it out. A lot brighter. We thought it wasn't gonna be bright, but the brightness was dim. And then I went on my phone and turned the brightness up. Now, pretty fucking bright.
We were about to go take rollers, kept hearing a fucking grinding noise in the back tire. Get under there, show them what it was. Freaking.
They ran me over. So
So
this is a screw. The screws that we use to set it in, and this is in between the actual hub and the rotor. So what we got to do is we got to take the tire back off, loosen the hub, and rip that shit apart.
God damn it.
Yeah.
So we just got back to the house. It's about to be a quick fix, about 5-minute fix, you know. Just gotta take the wheel off, pull the drum back just a little bit, get that little piece of shit screwed out. Throw it back on, we'll get some rollers for you guys. Oh guys, we're at another issue. I guess we didn't fucking tighten the brake all the way. And we bent the wheel light. So yeah, oh my fuck. Jesus Christ, we fucked that shit up. Alright guys, now we're walking the fucking street to find
Alright guys, we're just walking the street. Holy shit.
You won't believe it.
Look
how fucking far we walked.
Now we just need to find the other one.
Shit.
Alright guys, right now, fucking me and Aiden.
We're fucking looking for the bolt that fell off the brake. We've been walking all the way up there. Bum. We have no idea where the hell it could be. Hopefully it comes up pretty soon. It'll be a bad day if we don't. Alright guys, so we're just walking down the driveway. Boom, found the fucking other one.
Now we're gonna go back, try to throw her on. Hopefully nothing too bad happened, but yeah, guys.
Yeah, hopefully the
Don't do what we did.
brake line's good, you know. Fucking wheel light is not too fucked up. But we'll be back on the road pretty soon. So we're currently in a sticky situation over here, guys. Let me tell you something. Boom. Not really a circle, you know. A little bright. A hole right there. Can't really see it. Oh, yeah, you can. Fucked, right? Boom. Don't even want to look there. Food gone. It's not looking too good. So when you guys are doing wheel lights, probably tighten your brakes back up when you're done. So you're not in this big old sticky situation. Yeah. What do you got to say about this?
That shit sucks, man.
We just went on a fucking 4-mile walk for these bolts. What do you got to say, Mr. Giggles?
I'm just here to fucking fix it, James. It's not really wanting to be fixed though. Can I see a light? I need light.
This is where we're gonna call it a fucking video. We're gonna break it down to you guys, show you everything that got fucked up. As you guys can see, the ring light, pretty fucked up.
I have to buy a new one of these
What's the
because this fucking popped out from pushing on
Yeah,
the
the
brakes.
dust cover behind the yeah, that's fucking bent to shit all underneath there. It got torn out right there. His brand new brakes got a big old gash in them. So those are pretty fucked up. So yeah, we're just gonna have to buy a new one of these bad boys, this assembly piece right here. And then fix and just rebend everything straight. I rebent all these brackets on the wheel light straight so we could get it a little bit better, but this is where we're fucking sitting for this night, dude. We gotta fuck with it tomorrow, but
Next video should be back fucking beautiful. Back better than ever, dude.
better than it would have been tonight.
So make sure you guys fucking drop a like, fucking subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one.
Duties.